What is Augmentin 625mg tablet? Augmentin 625mg is a combination antibiotic medication that contains two active ingredients, amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. Amoxicillin is a penicillin-type antibiotic that works by inhibiting the growth of bacteria, while clavulanic acid is a beta-lactamase inhibitor that helps prevent the breakdown of amoxicillin by certain bacteria, thereby enhancing its effectiveness. Uses of Augmentin 625mg tablet. Augmentin is prescribed for the treatment of various bacterial infections. Some of the common conditions treated with this medication include respiratory tract infections, such as pneumonia, bronchitis, and sinus infections, ear infections, otitis media, urinary tract infections, UTIs such as cystitis or kidney infections, skin and soft tissue infections, such as cellulitis and abscesses, dental infections, to treat dental abscesses or infections in the gums, sinusitis, gastrointestinal infections, such as infections caused by Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, as part of a combination therapy. Important note, Augmentin is effective against bacterial infections but will not work for viral infections like the common cold or the flu. Dosage of Augmentin 625mg tablet. The dosage of Augmentin 625mg tablet will depend on the type of infection being treated, the patient's age, weight, and kidney function. A typical dosage regimen for adults may be, for mild to moderate infections, 1 tablet, 625mg, every 8 hours, or as prescribed by a healthcare provider. For severe infections, the dosage may be adjusted by the doctor based on the severity and type of infection. Note, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions for dosing and never take more or less than prescribed. Augmentin can cause side effects, though not everyone gets them. Very common, affects more than 1 in 10 people diarrhea and feeling sick, nausea. Common, affects up to 1 in 10 people thrush, candida, vomiting, and indigestion. A small but important point. If you get severe, persistent, or bloody diarrhea, you should contact your doctor immediately, as this could be a sign of a serious bowel condition. For our pregnant listeners, Augmentin can be used during pregnancy, but only if a doctor has specifically prescribed it for you. They will decide if the benefit to you outweighs any potential risk to the baby. Self-medicating is not advised. And for breastfeeding mothers, Augmentin is generally considered compatible with breastfeeding. Tiny amounts may pass into the breast milk, but it is not known to cause harm to a healthy baby. However, it can sometimes cause diarrhea or thrush in the infant, so it's important to monitor your baby and inform your doctor if you notice any changes. As always, this is general information. Please consult your doctor or pharmacist for advice tailored to your specific health situation. Do not start, stop, or change your medication without professional guidance. Thanks for watching.